How to download videos from Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to download videos from Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, you will open up your Twitter account and you will get right here. So we see different videos on Twitter as well that we want to download. For example, this is a video. You can see it has 1.2 million views. And then if I scroll down, we have another video. So this is also a video. Now let's say that I want to download this one. So what you have to do is you will right click and you will copy the link address, like the link for the video. Once the link is copied, then what I want you guys to do is simply go to Google and search for twittervideodownloader.com. So it will open it up. Now you just have to paste the link that you copied. You can see it's a Twitter link. Click on download and it will show you that it will be the same video that you wanted to download. And then you can download it in any form. We have MP4 and different, resolutions. Once you add the video, just click on download and it will be downloaded on your laptop or on your phone. So this is how we download videos from Twitter. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.